Most people get this wrong. They think X bookmarks are hidden or complicated to access. The truth is, viewing your saved tweets or bookmarks is actually simple, and it'll walk you through it step by step. First, open the X app on your mobile device or go to the website on your computer. Once logged in, look for your profile icon or the navigation menu on the left side. On mobile, tap your profile picture. On desktop, click the More option. Next, find the Bookmarks tab. This is where all the tweets you've saved are stored in chronological order. The surprising truth is that X automatically saves your bookmarks in real time. You don't need to organize anything unless you want to. Most people get this wrong by assuming they have to manually save or categorize each tweet beyond this point. You can scroll through your bookmarks and tap any tweet to view it in full. From here, you can like, reply, retweet, or even remove it from your bookmarks if you no longer need it. On mobile, tap the share icon to copy the link or share the tweet externally. Pro tip: if you have hundreds of bookmarks, use the search feature within your account to find specific tweets. Unfortunately, X doesn't let you sort by category or tag yet, so using the search bar is the fastest method. Most people get this wrong by endlessly scrolling. They waste time looking for something that could be found in seconds. In conclusion, seeing your bookmarks on X is quick and easy once you know where to look. Remember, bookmarks are private to your account and perfect for saving content for later reference. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to master X and stay organized online.